Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LinkedIn Recruiter Lite easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.linkedin.com. Log into your LinkedIn account using your email and password. Once logged in, look at the top menu bar. Find the work icon, which resembles a grid of squares. Click on the work icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you see Recruiter Lite. Click on Recruiter Lite to access the sign-up page. On the Recruiter Lite page, you may be prompted to choose a suitable plan. Select the plan that fits your recruiting needs. After choosing your plan, click on the Continue button. You might need to provide your billing information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues. Review the terms and conditions of the trial. Once you've read them, check the box to agree. Click the Start My Free Trial button to finalize your registration. After completing the sign-up, you will be redirected to your new Recruiter Lite dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available. Start using LinkedIn Recruiter Lite to enhance your recruiting process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.